Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to study fast with focus. Set a single clear goal, remove distractions, and time box sessions using a simple timer. Start with a warm-up minute, gather materials, and commit to distraction-free work. Use short breaks to reset energy and review quickly. Track what you complete to get momentum and tweak session length based on how focused you feel. In this segment, I'll explain practical techniques to boost study speed and focus in small, manageable steps. Try 25-minute work blocks with 5-minute breaks, then extend if needed. Prioritize the hardest task first to reduce procrastination. Use flashcards, self-quizzing, and quick summaries to lock knowledge. Adjust timing by observing focus patterns, and celebrate small wins to keep motivation steady and consistent. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation and a tiny detour. The book The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read for building better financial habits that pair well with efficient study routines. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick it up if you're curious, and now let's get back to the video. I'll help you optimize your environment and tools so focus comes naturally and studying becomes faster and less draining. Set up a tidy workspace, keep water nearby, and designate one device for study materials and another for timing. Close unrelated tabs and use focus apps sparingly. Small changes like lighting, chair comfort, and a charger ready can remove friction and make sessions more productive and pleasant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.